These are my onions that I planted last autumn, and they've been drying in the lovely sunshine that we've had lately for the last week or so. These are a variety called Autumn Champion, and we've got a lovely nice brown skin, almost golden, and quite a good size. And I've got quite a few of those. Some of them, however, have done less well. So this has gone to seed. So here, this one's bolted, and this is what happens when they bolt. They send up a flower stalk. You can actually just, cut those off when they're actually growing, because what they do is they don't do the insides very much good at all. So let's open this one up and see what it looks like. That's not too bad, but you can see there's the flower stalk base there, and it does mean that they don't store very well. So if you get some like that, it's best to use them up very quickly. These are electric, some red ones, and a lot of these, unfortunately, probably because it could be lack of moisture, could be variation in the weather, has sent quite a few of these up with flower stalks. And again, you can just take those off, don't store them, use them straight away. But very pleased with these, and look forward to using those in the kitchen.
If you've enjoyed this video, press the like button, and also give us a comment, let us know what you're doing in the garden at the moment. And if you like our videos generally, it'd be really great if you'd subscribe to our YouTube channel.